Hello Omar and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya and today I want to share with you some information that you can actually use to increase the traffic to your website, attract more customers and just grow your company. So let's get into this. Um, the first thing that we're going to cover is going to be the homepage. Then we will move into the Google Business Profile and then we will talk about backlinks. So let's start with your homepage. Uh, Overall, this is the picture of your website. The picture is very nice. It's very cute. And then you have the links to the different back pages. So there are quite a few things that you actually could do. First of all, it doesn't have the security certificate, so that's important to actually manage it if you actually want to be found and rank your website. Now, in terms of the content, everything that you have in here is considered content. So when planning a website, you actually want to have content that is budget related, that has budget related keywords so that Google can find you for those and Google can start understanding what your website is about so that it can index your website and rank your website. Right now, you have around 20 words, so not much content, and you are not able to push through relevant buyer intent keywords. Let's have a look at two of your competitors. Two Men and Track, these guys have 1,327 words, and this is just the landing page for Miami. AMS, these guys have 1,469 words. So definitely an opportunity for you there is just to develop that content and sprinkle it with buyer intent keywords. What I mean by that is I came here to the Google search and I type in Movers Miami. And the first section that we usually see is the Google Ads, the Google Guarantee, and the Google Ads. And this section is really good at generating traffic and generating leads, but it can be very expensive if it's not done correctly. The second section is the Google Maps. And to rank here in this section, you need optimize and geotag pictures. You need reviews, and you also need to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages and Yelp. And the name, address, and phone number in those directories need to match those of your Google Business Profile. This section alone is driving 30 to 40% of the whole, all of the traffic at the local search level. Now, the third section is the Google Organic Search. And in here is where I found the two competitors. So you need a website that is correctly built and that Google can understand what it is about so that it can find you. Once it has done this, depending on the backlinks profile, is going to rank you. So we analyze that. We use a tool, Ahrefs, to analyze. And right now I am analyzing the backend of your website. And as you can see here, there are no backlinks at all. So no backlinks, no referring domains. If I look at Two Men and a Truck, these guys have the landing page for Miami only has 62 external websites directing traffic through 105 links. And AMS, these guys have 30, again, the landing page for Miami, these guys have 30 external websites directing traffic towards theirs through 347 links. And it's important to actually look at the backlink profile because you not only want to have more backlinks, but you want to have quality backlinks because those are the ones that are sitting on websites that are related to the services that your customer provides. And Google has mechanisms to verify this and will give you extra credit for this and will start regarding your website as an authority for that particular search that users are performing. Now let's go back to your competitors. Two Men and a Track, these guys are being found for 228 organic keywords. And in here we can see what those keywords are. The search volume is the number of times these keywords are searched for per month. And the position is in which position this particular company is appearing in the Google organic search for that particular keyword. So we can see that Moving Companies Miami, just one keyword is searched for 1,700 times per month. And because they are on the first position, they got an estimate or they get an estimate per month of 735 visits. Miami Movers, search volume 1,500, second position 466 visits. So the message here is that you want to identify what are those keywords that have a high search volume because those are the ones that you want to have as part of the content of your website. And then by building the backlink profile, your website is going to be able to rank at the top for these particular keywords. And in that sense, you will be maximizing the number of times that your website is in front of potential customers, meaning that a percentage of those are going to end up in your website, another percentage is going to call you, and then depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert them into customers. So that's how traffic translates into the growth of your company. I hope that you like this video. Please feel free this information to actually develop your website, and please don't forget to give me your feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.